I'm gonna make myself beautiful. There's no effect. Say hi. Hi, Han. Make myself beautiful. Oy. What about these? What about these, Han? Oh. Oh, there you go. No, no, no. Wait, stop. No. Stop. In the name of love, before you break my heart. Stop. In the name of love. We gonna shout out.
Hey, heartbreak is a serious medical condition. You probably go to the hospital. If your heart's really broken, I think that is a thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's probably called a ruptured heart valve or something. I'm gonna look it up.
Ang dami sinasabi nito. Hi, Claudine Bernardo, Donana Gold Shop, Silao, Monica Roni,
Yeah.
Glad Days Moti, Janine.
It's called a myocardial rupture. It's a laceration or tearing of the wall of the ventricles or arteries.
I didn't ask you about break heart.
Yeah, you said stop in the name of love before you
It's a song.
So you're saying it's
I'm just
so you're saying
singing.
it's fake.
Hi, Yay Adnarim, Jezreel Dulay, Rhoda Chelsea Lacson, Carlisa, Bebs Angelica, Maan Nava Gregana. Hi, Madam, sigawan mo ko. Ben Baisa, hello sa'yo. Namiss mo yung mukha ko. Wala akong kilay ngayon eh. Ay, I'm gonna make my kilay. I don't have eyeliner. I don't have kilay now. Today. Here, Han. Han. Don't like that face.
Why not?
They're looking at us.
And?
And of course, I'm beautiful. Ruby Joy Toribio. Chris Cristiano. Vivian Yortas. So what is love for you, Han?
Huh? No,
Hi, Luca, come here. Luca!
what'd you say?
Come here. Come here. Here, over here. Over here in Daddy's back. Come on, I'm not joking.
No.
Here's my son, Luca. Say hi to them. Hi.
Hi.
Say in Tagalog, magandang araw.
No.
Say magandang.
I can't.
Magandang araw.
Magandang araw.
Magandang araw.
Oh, there are a lot of angry birds.
Why?
I don't know. They're angry birds.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's funny. Roel Tay, hello sa'yo, Bev. Paki-share po ang ating FB Live, mga bebe. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Magkikilay tayo today. Tarang ko kayo magkilay. Ganyan lang. Napakasimple. Yan. So, ganyan ang pagkikilay natin. Pa-shoutout naman, madam, sa husband mo na super bad trip siya ngayon sa'yo. Sa Papa Bear daw ni Jamaica Pearl Verano, huwag ka na ma-bad trip. Enjoy mo lang yung life. Okay? Nancy Flores. Ba't may mga nag-angry bird? Tigilan nyo nga ako. Magsilayas nga kayo dito. Yung mga nag-angry nga dyan.
What?
If you don't like my face, just get off.
Facebook? Yeah.
Just get off in Facebook. Right, Han?
Huh?
Just get off in Facebook. Just get off on Facebook.
I guess.
Yeah, because instead of angry there. See, they're angry again. Angry modes.
Yeah, but why?
I don't know. They're insecure to my beautiness.
Or maybe they're just trying to make you laugh.
No, they're insecure to my...
How do you know? You can't tell who's angry. Actually, you probably could go through and see who's angry.
How?
By looking at all the people who like or something.
Yeah, and then we're gonna ban them to our page.
No, don't ban them. That's stupid.
What we gonna do?
Huh?
What we gonna do to them?
Nothing.
What we gonna do with all the junk,
Let
all
them
that
be
junk
angry.
inside the trunk? I'm gonna get you drunk, of my.
Ew. Trunk junk? Probably nasty.
Kiki Dora All-Star. Hello, Kiki Dora. Thank you so much for sharing. Ayan, pakishare po ang ating FB Live today, mga lalabs. At babatiin ko nga pala. Ay, meron mga pabati pala. May mga greetings tayo. Halika lang ha. Hanapin ko lang yung greetings. Ano, be? May nagpapagreet kasi sa akin dito.
Oh, shit.
Ayan. Happy viewing kay Nora Fe Natore pala. I'm sorry. Kay Nora Fe Natore. Happy viewing sa'yo, Beb.
We got 2.3.
From Taiwan,
Thousand
Chai,
people
Taiwan. And also, Team Kilay Natics, thank you so much. Kay Sheila, ng Kilay Natics from Europe, thank you so much. Also kay Bernadette, ng San Pablo, Laguna. And also, Team Kifam, Kilay and Afam team, thank you so much. Ana Marie Moreno Solis, hello. Michiko Candy Sachi. Nicole Kinagoran Gumabay. Pakishare po ang ating FB Live, mga bebe. I love you too, Anton Dibas. RV Namayan sa Ulda. Kilay is life. Same with me, madam. Talaga ba, Roselyn Ligaya? Thank you so much. From Istanbul, Turkey, MM Rodolfa. And shout out sa Panabo City. I would like to greet Luz, Kakay, Jean, Jonaline, Jana, Vanessa, Beth. From Naj Shella. Mark Hill Galindo. Han, can you read all of this name?
No.
See.
Christine Ann Torino. Mona Lisa Torres.
Read this.
Aha. Huwag papa-affect sa mga haters mo, Madam Kian.
Kay, yaan mo sila.
An mo sila. Oh, sila high blood.
Inisin mo pa sila lalo. Ha 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 ha.
What does that mean?
They said don't get high blood to your bashers.
Yeah, I know.
Instead, make them angry more. Is
Well,
that...
no. What if they say something that's like a legitimate
Ay,
thing?
they said, say tongue twister. Say nakakapagpabagabag.
Wait.
Nakaka... No, the natural talk.
That is my name.
Nakaka...
Nakaka.
Pa...
Pa.
Ba...
Ba.
Gabag.
Gabag.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Na.
Nakakapag...
Napapaga. Dang it.
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Mapapag.
Nakaka...
Pagkakabag.
Say here. This one, say. Say here. Abay ga.
Oh, no.
No, just say, abay ga.
Babayga.
Go pala.
Go pala.
Ako.
Mo.
No,
Yes,
you.
you.
Ba yun? KJ naman.
No, I win it. I won. I don't want to lose. I want to win the game.
Oh, sige, ilong-ilong na lang. Ilong-ilong. Like this, oh. Like this, ano? Ilong-ilong. Ilong. No, make it fast.
No, this is my pace.
No, ilong. Chin.
Dang it.
One more. Ilong.
Cheek.
Oh, chick ako. Ito, chick ko. Wait, ito
You
ka lang,
cheated.
chick.
You were like.
Oh, no, I chick like that.
Cheater.
One more, last one.
No, you're a
No,
cheater.
last.
You cheated.
Ilong. Dede. Oh, you have dede, but you're flat.
Everyone does.
Oh, don't mind.
Oh, man.
Jennifer Tolentino, hello sa'yo, be. Regina Chamson Delmado. Ayaw pa na, ano. Chalina Reeves. Marian. So, what can you say about all the people who loves us?
I don't know, man. It's interesting.
It's interesting.
Yeah.
How is it interesting?
Well, I don't know.
No, the people love us. You know, they're
But
supporting
I
us.
don't know why.
No, of course, they are supporting.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, and then,
And I appreciate it.
yeah. Look at the camera. Not,
Yeah, I know, but there's 2,000 people there. That's crazy.
How is it crazy?
Because I would never do that. I would never do that on my own.
Because you're a private person. That's
Yeah.
why you don't do that in your own.
Yeah.
Me, I'm a public person. So, like a public place, you know,
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Mm.
That's why
Mm.
there's a lot of public people there.
Mm.
Also, all of them are public.
Mm.
Because they see us. So, they are public.
Mm.
Yes. Michael J. Teriote, Teslav, Cartagena, hello po sa inyo. Nelly watching all the way from Malta. Hi, Malta. Saan yung Malta? Buti ka pa may forever, madam. Han,
Oi.
this is the question, one of the Adem.
Mm-hmm.
Do you believe in forever? What's funny? Niloloko ko dito.
Because I guess you could.
Why?
Well, how long into forever do you mean?
I mean, do you believe in forever?
Well, I don't think forever is a thing you can establish, really. You know what I mean?
No. Explain it. That's why I asked you.
Well, 'cause-
If I know it, I'm gonna ask you. Of course, I don't know.
no,
That's
you
why
would,
I
because
asked.
you would have to understand how the other person understands forever. Like, what is forever? You know what I mean?
Yeah, what is
Believe in
forever for you?
So I guess you could be sure. I guess the short answer would be yes. There is a forever. What are you asking in forever? I believe in forever.
Forever, like
Us
like-
forever?
No relationship, diba? Of course, there's.
Well, I mean, it would have to be forever, wouldn't it? Because if you had a relationship and then you can't not have a relationship, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. So what is for you believe in forever?
you have to. Is there anything else?
No, what about some of the partners? They're broke
Yeah, but they
up.
still had a relationship, right? So
No,
there's-
they're broke up.
Oh, yeah.
What is that? So it's not forever.
Well, that's a commitment issue. It still happened though, right?
Yeah, it still happened to
Yeah.
other people.
So it's almost like it still is forever.
So how you can believe to forever if it's not happening to them?
I'm doing it on purpose. No.
So it's not happening to them. That's why they don't believe.
Well, then that's not believing in forever though. That's choosing not to continue a relationship.
What about us? Do we have a forever?
Yeah.
How?
Because commitment.
Kiss me. Kiss me now.
Oh, okay.
Kiss me. Baliw na baliw
My house, I do what I
ako
want.
sa'yo, aking sinta, may aking prinsesa. Wala tayong tugtog eh. gusto ko. Oh my God, I'm so beautiful. There's a forever to us. Oy, may forever, Sina. Huwag kang ano dyan. Dapat positive ka lang. Pag meron kayong relationship, always believe in forever.
Luca, listen.
Huwag kayong negative sa relasyon nyo. Kaya may mga nawawala na forever eh. Dapat,
Make sure you look and see if
dapat lagi kayong bumilib sa sarili nyo, sa relasyon nyo, ganun.
Luca.
Para,
That is how hackers get
may
you.
forever.
I am being dead serious right now. Do your
oh my
research.
God!
Do your research before you do that.
Their
Look
English.
it up,
Nanonosebid
make sure
ako sa
that
kanilang
they're
dalawa.
not hackers first, before you do that. 'Cause that is
Pag
how
magkausap
hackers
sila
get you.
mag-ama,
They say, "Oh, get
nanonosebid
free
ako.
Robux." You go to the
Kaya
website.
ginagawa ko, lumalabas ako. Kasi, sila maintindihan eh. So, ayun na nga. Kuya Resty, naka-online ka din kay Madam. Sino yung Kuya Resty? I saw your life story and you deserve all the blessings and you're beautiful in and out. Love it. Pareho tayo sim. Ay talaga ba, Tinash, Mary Christina Silos Van Norman? Alba si ako. Pakishare po ang ating FB Live. Ay, Bax, Jocelyn Desnos. Hi, Madam. Oo nga, forever talaga. We love you. I love you too, Nanay Che. Hey! Where are you going?
I'm going to work.
Okay.
Bye.
With me, I'm gonna go with you.
No.
Why not?
Get your own job. I got mine.
This is my job.
Oh, okay.
Get your own job. And this is my job. So it's raining, man. Hallelujah.
No, it isn't. That's water.
No, it's raining.
What science class did you go to? Yeah, it is raining.
It's a science.
It's not
In
raining.
science
men.
subject,
That's not men.
you know, in our subject,
water.
no. The in our class
Why are you
before the
pushing me?
science, no, I'm not pushing you. I'm just touching. In our science class before, the rain will go fall. And then the water of the rain goes to the tree. Right? Di ba ganyan yung science
Hey,
dati?
did you know that space, that outer space steals our water?
How you know that? Ba't napunta tayo sa outer space?
I googled it. Google it.
Google it? Oh, here, Google. Where? Hey, kiss me first before anything else. You have to kiss me. Kiss me. 3.
Alright.
Panghabang buhay ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, o sinta, kahit namin namanagay. Love you. Paano tayo sa mga kinikilig to? Talaga ba? Share nyo, babe. Huwag kalimutan ang isa mong kilay. Oo nga, isa lang kilay. Kasi nga, di ba, pag umuulan, sabi sa science, kasi asawa ko pag usapang science, nosebleed ako kasi masyadong malalim yung pag science ang usapan, malalim yung sinasabi niya. So, di ba, di ba ang science tinuro dati na yung ulan, pag umuulan, yung ulan napupunta sa puno, di ba? Tapos, pag napunta sa puno, sinisip-sip ng puno yung ulan, ganon. Sinisip-sip ng puno yung ulan, tapos napupunta lahat dyan. Tapos aakyat. Kaya nga may mataas na puno kasi yung puno kadikit ng ulap yan. So, yung ulan na bumabagsak, pupunta sa puno, tapos aakyat ulit yan doon, papunta ng ulap. Ganon sabi ng teacher ko eh. Ewan ko, tama ba yung teacher ko? Basta yun yung sabi. It's raining men. O, diba? So, yun na nga. Luca, come here, Luca. So, umalis na yung asawa ko. May mga angry moods po din. Ibahin mo kasi agad ang topic. Ay, Alicia Gutisa. Ala, sa hindi ko nabati, pasensya na, hindi ko na nakita. Marami akong tagyawat, be. Tinatagyawat na ako. Sabi nila pag may tagyawat, in love daw, di ba? Ngayon, pag may tagyawat kang ganyan, lagyan mo ng lipstick. Lagyan natin lipstick, be. Ganyan, beauty tips. Beauty tips, lagyan natin lipstick. Para matanggal yung tagyawat mo. Kasi ganun ginagawa ng mama ko eh. Pag may tagyawat, nalagyan ng lipstick yan. Diba? Lagyan natin ng tagyawat. Ito At sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ito po yung lipstick na ginagamit ko. Pati yung kulay blue ko, parehas lang sila ng brand. Mura lang to, be. Ayan, no. Mura lang siya. $2 lang. Binigay lang to sa akin. So, ang beauty tip natin, pag may tagyawat kayo, lagyan nyo ng may sugat ako dito. Nilaplap kasi ko ng asawa ko eh. Tapos kinagat yung ganito ko. Nanggigil sa beauty ko, be. Ayan. Lagyan nyo ng lipstick. Ayan. Pati yung dito sa kabila. Ayan. Yan. Dalawa kasi yung tagyawat ko eh. Ibig sabihin, in love ako sa dalawa. Sino kaya to? Oh my God. Di totoo yun. Alin? Alin hindi totoo? Lalagyan ng lipstick? Ay, Colgate ba? Huy, ganun kaya ginagawa ng mama ko. Nilalagyan niya ng lipstick yung tagyawat. Paderma mo. Ay, kaskas mo sa pader. Yung pader namin makinis eh. Di ba dapat pag ikakaskas mo sa pader, dat yung magaspang na pader. Yung pader namin, ano eh, yung para siyang ano, flat siya. Pag gusto nyo namang gumanda at kuminis yung beauty nyo, gumamit lang kayo ng Lysol. Ito na yung bago ngayon. Pinang-i-spray to sa mukha. Diba, halimbawa, pag nagme-make, lalo na yung mga babae dyan na nagme-makeup. Diba, merong makeup. Diba, pag nagme-makeup kayo, ganun, makeup. Diba, merong ginagamit na pang fresh dun sa makeup nyo. Kailangan yung makeup nyo yung, para hindi siya matanggal agad, spray nyo lang yan. Spray nyo lang yan sa face nyo. Para yung makeup nyo pang matagalan. Pang isang, pang 24 hours. Effective to, no? Kasi lime yan. Lime kasi yan eh, oh. Lime. Ibig sabihin, effective siya. Lemon. Lemon, ginagamit sa muka. Sa kilikili nga, sa maitim na kilikili, lime kaya ginagamit. You're the cutest, madam. Talaga ba? Tinash. Tawagin mo si Jose para... I miss Kuya Jose. Ikis-kiss mo kay mother, wag kay father. It's got saber. Ay, grabe yung... Grabe yung kilikili ko. Kita. Akala ko yung moriatic. Hindi, no? Wag yung moriatic masyado na. Pag hindi na kaya, moriatic. Pero pag medyo kaya-kaya pa, eto. The best to. Kaya nga lagi ko tong katabi kasi ito yung ginagamit. Yan. Sa Lysol. Ito yun. Isasabi nyo, ito yun ini-sprayan sa mukha. Kaya nga may pang ganito eh. Ginaganyan yan. No? Diba? Para mag-maintain yung makeup mo. Kung wala ka namang makeup, kahit ano, ganto-ganto lang, fresh. Magpa-fresh yun. Kasi nga, lime. Made by lemon. Yes, it's a good idea. Tipid pa. Magkano lang to, no, be? 100 lang. 120 pesos lang ata, te. 120 pesos sa murang tindahan. Baka kay Aling Kuring meron to. Napakamura lang. Tawas na lang. Wag sa kilikili yun. Wag ganun. Charot. Madam, 1,000 times na talaga ako nakita. Oy, Maliksi Arcolas Avoj. Jessie Soto, hello sa'yo. Gawing primer ang Lysol. Oo, ano ka ba? Effective yan ba? Anong panlinis? Di ba nga ginagamit to sa kusina, panlinis. Ganon din sa muka. Kung effective to dun sa kusina, effective din to sa muka. Ano ka ba? Ang natatanggal nga nito, puro kalawang eh. Neto, ibig sabihin, effective to sa'yo. Lalo na sa akin. Kalawangin eh. Pag kalawangin mga ganito, effective yan. Oh, ay nako, yung mga bata, wag niyong gagayahin to kasi mga professional lang ang gumagawa nito. So sa mga bata, kung may mga nanonood ng mga kabataan, wag niyong gagayahin kasi only for professional. Okay? Wag niyong gagayahin to. Kami lang nakakagawa niyan. Gusto ko paminti. Ay, ito. Gusto mo. Ayan ang kilay ko. So, okay na siya. Dagdagan pa natin. Ayan. Gusto mo pa ng isa, be? Ito, sa kabila. Ayan. Tapos, papantayin mo lang yan. Ganyan yung pagkikilay. So, maganda yung mood ko ngayon. Kaya maganda rin yung mood ng kilay ko for today. Yan. Panan pa natin, de. Oh, di pantay na siya. Napakadali, di ba? Madam pa shoutout sa Marjon Suarez. Kay Marjon Suarez. Hello sa'yo, Marjon Suarez. Pag may gumawa niyan at may nangyaring masama, it will be your fault. Hello, karamihan ng nanonood dito, matatanda. So, napakasyonga naman nila kung gagayahin talaga nila to. Basa-basa din, ha? All I'm talking now is, biro lang, ha? Kaya nga, mga bata, wag gagayahin nila, mga professional lang gumagawa nito. Grabe naman, syonga-syonga naman kung talagang gagawin yun. Madam, nasan po ang shoutout ko? Kay Kenneth Escobido, hello! Makapal yung isa. O, didagdagan natin yung kabila. Kapal pala yung isa eh. O. Hanggang sa kumapal din. So, kapalan natin to. Anong gamit mong pangkilay? This one is Laurel. Charot. Laurel. Ay! Laurel tsaka Revlon. Bet ko inaano to, wala nga silang bayad sa akin eh. Hindi ko siya i-endorse, no? Wala naman ako sponsor sa kanila, no? Walang endorsement. Late ako, madam, para basan yung Lysol. Pampatuyo ng makeup. Ano yung kilo na ginawang Jumbo Eyebrow Pencil ba yan? Sa nakakabili? Sa murang tindahan, sa hardware, baka meron ito. Charot. Hindi, syempre sa make-upan. Sa make-up meron yan. Yung mga nag-angry na dyan, lagot kayo sa akin mamaya ah. Pagtapos na itong video na to, hahanapin ko yung pangalan nyo. Ibaban ko kayo dito sa page ko para hindi na kayo, hindi nyo na ako nakikita. Total, ayaw nyo naman sa akin, di ba? Pit pa kayo nanonood. E di pagtapos nitong video ko na to, ibaban ko kayo para hindi nyo na ako makita. Tapos gagamit pa kayo ng ibang account para mahanap nyo ulit ako. Stock kayo, ganon. Mga karakas nyo, yung mga nagdadami account dyan, yung mga nag-angry. Alam ko na yan. Kaya ibaban ko sila dito mamaya. Tinan mo. Laurel yun. Ann Carini Connie, hello sa'yo. Liamina Felipe, Ann Bernas, Aaron John Cruz, Borasin, hello sa'yo. Lily Reyes, from Tokyo, Japan, Lily Reyes. Yung blush on talagang tuldok lang, hahaha. What color yan, madam? Ito? Hindi to blush on, be. Lipstick. Ayaw nila sa'yo, pero todo nood sila. Tama, di ba, no, Camille, no? Oo nga. Pakishare pang ating FB Live eh. Ses Kitchen from the Philippines. Hi, dyan sa Ses Kitchen. Pagkain yun, be. Mga ano yan, restaurant. Pupunta ako dyan pag uwi ko ulit. Minsan mag-makeup ka ng normal, yung walang joke. Show them how pretty you are. Be, normal na to. Etong normal na talaga. Ganto talaga magkilay. Kahit lalabas ako, ganto. Paolo Pastorial from Kuwait. Yung nag-angry, nagsiselos yan sa real beauty mo, madam. Bahala sila, ma'am. Oo nga, no, Nessa Hes. Rain Lopez from Paranaque. Hello from Seattle. Hi sa mga taga Seattle. Celine Bancolita Oritia. I love you too. Asan si Apang umalis na? Pumasok na. Bella Janita Fuentes. Mary Joy Perucho. Nawala na yung mga nag-angry na takot. Sabi ko, ibaban ko sila. O, diba? Nag-angry kasi. Mamaya tayo mag-angry na naman yan. Makikita ko yan mamaya dun sa ano. Pag after nito, makikita ko yun. Tapos ibaban ko sila. Para hindi na nila makita yung pagmumukha ko. Hindi ko naman sinabi, natitigan niya yung mukha ko, diba? Pearl Ledesma watching from Hong Kong. Hello sa'yo, Beb. Alicia Gutisa Miranda. God bless you. Shelly Cliff from Colorado Springs. My daughter is watching you. Hello. Decalan family of Princess Chloe, Blair, and Tollets from Al Ain, UAE. Madam, nasa Indonesia ako. Yung si Afam mo, grabe, bentang-benta. Nakasama ko mga teachers dito sa Indonesia na dahil saan kinalat. Talaga ba? Judge Ron? Sa lahat ng mga teachers dyan sa Indonesia, hello sa inyo. Liamina Felipe, Joe Fajardo Palacio. Alam, malalobat na ako, babe. Sign out na ako, ha. Thank you so much for following my video. Sa lahat pa rin ng sumusupport at nagmamahal sa akin, maraming salamat po. At sa lahat ng sumama sa akin dito ngayon sa FB Live, thank you so much. Kahit puyat na yung iba. Kasi alam ko sa Pilipinas, anong oras na ba? Madaling araw na sa Pinas ngayon. Anong color? Oh, this is my my new nail. Sa ano lang to be, sa Walmart. Thank you so much. Sa aking bagong nail. Borasin. Mura lang be, mura lang. Ardin Gallardo, hello. Donna Arna is from Dubai. Kamukha mo pinsan ko. Talaga ba, Ardin Gallardo? Christine Rees, hello sa'yo from Hong Kong. Ayan, bye po sa inyo and thank you so much for watching my videos. James Beltran, thank you so much sa inyo lahat guys na mga nanood nito. Salamat sa pagsama sa ating FB Live ngayong araw na to. Maraming salamat. Abangan niyo po ang aking mga Real Talk Vines ulit. Thank you so much. And also, ang videos namin ni Apa. Maraming salamat. Sign out na ako sa mga hindi ko po nabate. Pasensya na po. Masyadong mabilis kasi. Tats Abat, Marivic Stacy, Janina Verdida, Erica Pelayo Canaya, Victoria Vicky Pailanco Rosales, Zaira Terado, Tats Albat, Janina Verdida, Christine Rees, and Nika Lacaste. Sa mga hindi ko mababate at sa mga late na makakapanood nito, hello sa inyo and greetings ko na lang sa inyo. Ayan, sorry ha. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Huwag kalilimutan, pag lumabas ng bahay na walang kelay, lahal, kelay is life. Ciao!